All communities need building codes to protect their citizens from disasters like fires, inclement weather, and structural collapse. Current strong building codes are the best way to protect our homes, offices, schools, and manufacturing facilities. Code officials work tirelessly every day to enforce building codes that keep the public safe and our communities strong. Each May, the International Code Council sponsors Building Safety Month to highlight important aspects of building safety so civic leaders and citizens understand and appreciate how building codes and inspectors ensure safety where we live, work, and play. We focus on several critical aspects of building safety. One important aspect is mentoring the next generation of building professionals and meeting the future need for more trained building inspectors, plumbing inspectors, and fire marshals. ICC created its high school technical training program for this reason. The HSTTP helps students understand how codes and regulations are used and provides them with up-to-date code knowledge and training that leads to a skilled workforce. We also promote awareness of the importance of building design solutions for all ages, especially our vulnerable aging populations. As 1/4 of the U.S. population reaches retirement age in the next decade, this trend will affect every interior environment, private, commercial, and public. We need smart solutions that grow with a complex community dynamic. Another area ICC emphasizes is the role that disaster preparedness plays in our communities. History has shown time and again how strong, up-to-date building codes are often the difference between life and death. We can't control when disaster strikes, but by adopting current, strong building codes and increasing effective code administration, we can protect our communities from the effects of natural hazards. These important safety methods preserve and protect our health and safety during a disaster, decrease our insurance and tax rates, protect our economic investments, ensure continuity of essential community services, and bolster rapid recovery. Lastly, when it comes to building safety, investments in technology benefit us all by making our communities safer, more productive, and by stimulating economic growth. Science and technology are leading the way for designing and constructing safe, efficient, and resilient homes and buildings. Up-to-date building safety codes and standards allow buildings to incorporate proven technology, ensuring safety for lives, properties, and investments. While Building Safety Month is a time to reflect how our lives are improved through building codes, as well as the men and women who ensure they are used effectively, the message is important year-round. We encourage all to learn more and help spread the word in their communities. Good building codes and effective code administration protects lives, ensures safety, and makes communities stronger. Visit our website, iccsafe.org, to learn more about how to make your community as strong as it can be.